aircraft ZP805 named Fulmar, named after HMS Fulmar, the former name of the type's home base of RAF Lossiemouth, is the fifth of 9 Boeing P-8A Poseidon MRA1 maritime multi-mission aircraft, MMA, for the Royal Air Force, RAF, flew into RAF Lossiemouth in Scotland to join ZP801 Pride of Moray, ZP802 City of Elgin, ZP803 Terence Bulloch DSO-DFC, and ZP804 Spirit of Reykjavik that had already been delivered. All 9 aircraft are due to be in the United Kingdom by the end of 2021. Citing from Jane's site, Poseidon operations are being flown by 120 Squadron and 201 Squadron, with 54 Squadron serving as the Operational Conversion Unit, OCU. 201 Squadron will be stood up as a second operational unit at a later date. With the greatest maximum takeoff weight of any dedicated maritime patrol aircraft in the market, 85,139 kilograms, the P-8A is equipped with the Raytheon and /APY-10 maritime surveillance radar and L3 Wescam MX20 HD digital electro-optical/infrared sensors. It has the capacity to carry 129 sonobuoys and the full panoply of anti-submarine and anti-surface weaponry in its internal weapons bay as well as on underwing hardpoints. There are 6 mission workstations in the main cabin, although there is plenty of room and the necessary power and cooling for expansion.